Everyone, welcome back to today's table topic practice video. And let me get the table topic for today. The table topic for today is why is it important to look someone in the eye? Why is it important to look someone in the eye? When you look someone in the eye, there are two things. One thing is you are talking specifically to that person, and what you are saying is you are demanding attention of that person. You are actually talking to someone, right? So whenever you talk to someone and you don't look in the eye, it shows that you are not confident. Maybe you are confident, but it is not showing as you are confident. So if you want to sound confident, always look someone in the eye while talking. So that is very important because it uh, shows you will be coming across as a confident person. Second thing is I already said that you demand attention from them, and so the conversation gets richer. When you look some in the eye, people feel compelled to bring their attention and talk to you. So these are two very important aspects of looking someone in the eye. One, you are demanding attention. Second, uh, se second, you are coming across as a confident person. And if you don't look in the eye, there are other aspects of as well. If you don't look someone in the eye, then another person might feel that you are not paying attention or you are not talking to that person, and it might lead to that person not paying attention at all. That's I already told you, right? So what we can do is whenever we are talking to someone, even we are doing public speaking, look someone in the eye. It will feel you are talking to that specific person. Talk to that person for a moment. Then you might be switch on to another person. So that is why it is important to look someone in the eye. You appear as a confident person and you demand attention. Thank you.